Hi, my name's Kev Lavery, and today I'm going to be showing you a couple of ways that you can manage the modules in the content area of your Connect unit. Modules can be rearranged, renamed and moved as needed, and it's all pretty simple in Connect. Moving modules is possible with a simple drag and drop. Find your module in the list under Table of Contents. Select and hold the handle to the left of the module title and then drag it to its new position in the sequence of content. You can also drag and drop a module into another module. Doing this will turn it into a submodule. Top-level modules can easily become submodules and vice versa. You can also select the context menu next to the module title and select to either move up, move down, or move to. Using Move To will show you the existing content modules in your unit and allow you to move this module inside of another module. Lastly, let's look at renaming a module. Once you've selected a module, you can select the title to change it. Enter your new title. When you're done, simply click outside of the title to save the change. We can also select the description area to add a description. You may wish to add a description to further elaborate on the contents of a module or provide extra information. Selecting Add a Description will launch the HTML editor, and from here we can enter a description. Descriptions are really versatile and can also include images, links, or special formatting. This is a great place to provide a summary of the contents of the module or expected outcomes from this material. Once you are happy with your description, select the Update button to save it. Your description is now added to your module. Good unit management is key to ensuring that your students are getting the most out of their learning materials and the experience and expertise that you bring to TAFE Queensland.